Hey guys, welcome back to MDC Technology Central. Today I'll be showing you how you can dual boot Windows 10 and Ubuntu 20.04. To do this, you'll need a USB drive that's at least 8 gigabytes. Doing this is super simple. First, you need to open your web browser and go to rufus.akeo.ie. The link is in the description. You'll need to download Rufus to create your bootable USB to install Ubuntu. Scroll down and click Rufus 3.11 to download the latest version of Rufus. Next, in your web browser, go to the second link in the description. It should open Ubuntu's download page. Click the green download button. It will automatically start to download an Ubuntu ISO file. Depending on your internet connection, the time it takes to download may vary. When the download has finished, open Rufus, which is the program you downloaded earlier. If you haven't plugged in your USB drive yet, do so now. Make sure that it is selected in the device drop-down, then click Select. Find your Ubuntu ISO file that you downloaded earlier. If you're running Windows in UEFI mode, set your partition scheme to GPT. If you are running Windows in legacy mode or BIOS mode, set your partition scheme to MBR. I'm running Windows in legacy mode, so I'll set it to MBR. Then click Start. If Rufus notifies you that you need to download a different version of SYX Linux, click Yes. Otherwise, click OK. Depending on your computer and USB drive, the time it takes to finish may vary. When Rufus finishes, you'll need to reboot your computer and boot your computer from the USB drive. Ubuntu will start loading to perform a disk check, although I recommend you skip that by pressing and holding Control while pressing C. Then Ubuntu will ask you if you'd like to try or you'd like to install Ubuntu. Click Install Ubuntu. Follow the setup process. Make sure you click Install Ubuntu alongside Windows 10 or the installer will wipe your hard drive. Then click Continue. Then in the next page, you can allocate hard drive space to Ubuntu. Drag the divider to relegate space. Then click Install Now, then confirm the changes. Then you'll be asked to choose your time zone. Then the installer will ask you to specify your username, password, etc. Then the installer will start copying files to your hard drive. Once the installation is complete, click Restart Now. A screen will appear asking you to remove your USB drive. Remove it and press Enter. If you don't see the grub bootloader and Windows starts instead, open a command prompt with administrator privileges and run the command that is in the description.
Dancing beat. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again. Hi everyone, I'm your best friend, back in town again.
Then restart your PC. If you see the grub bootloader, you have successfully dual booted Windows 10 and Ubuntu. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and this is MDC Technology Central.